In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a BambooHR form. First, log into your BambooHR account. Head to your company's unique BambooHR URL, which follows the format your company.bamboohr.com, and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you have the permissions needed to create forms. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. From there, choose Settings. This is where you'll manage all the tools that power your HR workflows. On the left-hand side, open Templates, then select e-signatures and documents and choose Custom Forms. This is the central hub for creating and managing HR forms in BambooHR. Now click the Add Form button and choose Create New Form. You can upload a PDF if you already have one, but creating a new form will give you editable fields and a smoother experience for employees. Enter your form details. Give it a clear name and, if helpful, add a concise description to guide users. Choose the purpose that best fits, such as onboarding, offboarding, HR request, policy acknowledgement, or employee updates. Picking the right category improves visibility and consistency across your organization. When you're set, click. Next, let's build the layout. Use drag and drop fields like text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, dates, signature boxes, and employee fields that autofill details such as name and job title. Click a field to select it, drag it into place, and then edit the label and any instructions so it's clear what information is needed. If you want the form to be signed, add a signature field. After dragging it onto the form, assign who needs to sign, whether that's the employee, their manager, or an HR admin. This ensures the right people complete the form. Next, customize the form settings. Decide who can access the form, whether it's required during onboarding, if the form needs approval, and whether HR should be notified when it's completed. These settings help control visibility and keep your process compliant. Before you finalize, click Preview. Review the layout, spelling, and the order of fields from an employee's perspective. If anything looks off, click Edit to make adjustments. When you're satisfied, click Save, then Publish Form. Your form is now live and ready to use. To assign it to someone, go to People, choose the employee, click More, and select Request Signature or Assign Form. Pick the form you created and send it. The employee will receive an email and a task inside BambooHR. That's it. Your custom BambooHR form is ready to streamline your HR process.